Hello all, in this video I am going to explain how I created a tic-tac-toe game via Amazon QCLI. So this is the original prompt I have given to create this particular game. So create a new folder so that all the necessary code or the images, right, the assets, all will be in a particular folder. So I have given create a new folder and build a tic-tac-toe game where player can choose to play against a simple AI or another human, and then use Python to create the game board and implement the game logic and develop a basic AI opponent using a minimax algorithm. And also I mentioned to include a very clean graphical or text-based display. So this is basically a GUI-based display. After I give some introduction about this particular game, I will also show the demo as well. So this particular game I have as I given two things, right? One is two game interfaces that are multiple options, and in two game interfaces there are two Python file will be there. One is for, if I open here, one will be for a text based game and another is for a GUI based game, and the interface will be having a very intuitive control, and then the visual feedback also will be very much faster. So this is how, if you want to deploy in your own environment, like you can follow this particular step, you can clone your repository and then you can install the dependencies and then you can start to play. So this is the text based version. This is how it looks like. So to get this particular interface, you need to run this particular run the text-based version, Python, and then one. So you need to enter in the format of 1, 1, or so in which box you want to fill. You need to enter the particular row and column. And this is what the graphical interface will be looking up. And here I have used the minimax algorithm. Let me show the demo. So this is how it looks like. This is a GUI based one. Let me go with human assist AI easy. So if I click here, automatically the things will be coming up. And if I go here, and it will go up. And if I click here, so as it is very much easy, so I am win. So similarly, if I want to do play again, I can click R to reset and escape for menu. So if I give escape for menu, I can give human assist AI hard. Okay, it wins. So player O wins. So again, if I can play R and then I can give menu. So this is what, and I have just used Amazon Q to generate this particular game, and it have effectively given a very good game for me. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you all.